Hello and welcome to Town Square Nashama. Today I am delighted to present you an amazing opportunity to invest in a project named Aria by Nashama. So talking about this project, it gives 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom units. Now let's have a look at the show apartment. Town Square is always in excellent demand for investors and for end users because this community offers everything. We have jogging park, we have cycling park, we have retail within the community, and as a location it's not very far from the city.